Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. If you're anything like me, you're always on the lookout for devices that can make your life easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. That's exactly what we're going to dive into today with the HP DeskJet 2855e wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer. This incredible device is designed with the home user in mind, perfect for printing to-do lists, letters, financial documents, and even your favorite recipes. With print speeds of up to 5.5 ppm in color and 7.5 ppm in black, you'll be able to get your documents printed quickly and efficiently. One of the features that really caught my attention with the DeskJet 2855e is its ability to print perfectly formatted pages, thanks to HP's innovative AI technology. Imagine being able to print web pages and emails without all the unnecessary clutter, like ads and unwanted layouts. HP AI makes it easy, automatically removing unwanted content so your prints come out looking exactly the way you want them to. This is a total game changer for anyone who's ever struggled with printing from the web, and it's a huge time saver. No more wasted pages or frustrating formatting issues, just perfect prints every time. Another key feature of the DeskJet 2855e is its impressive set of capabilities, including color printing, copying, scanning, and a generous 60-sheet input tray. This means you can easily print, copy, and scan all your important documents without having to constantly reload the paper tray. And with wireless printing, you can stay connected and print from anywhere in your home, using your smartphone, PC, or tablet. The DeskJet 2855e features single-band Wi-Fi connectivity, which automatically detects and resolves any connection issues, giving you a reliable and hassle-free printing experience. The HP app is another standout feature of the DeskJet 2855e, making it easy to print, scan, copy, or even fax documents right from your device. The app is incredibly user-friendly, with a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate and use. Whether you're printing photos, documents, or web pages, the HP app gives you the flexibility and convenience you need. And with the included 3 months of instant ink, you'll be able to print all your important documents without worrying about running out of ink. In conclusion, the HP DeskJet 2855e is an absolutely fantastic device that's perfect for any home user. With its impressive print speeds, perfectly formatted prints, and reliable wireless connectivity, it's the perfect solution for all your printing needs. And with the HP app and included instant ink, you'll be able to print with ease and convenience. If you're in the market for a new printer, I highly recommend checking out the DeskJet 2855e. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on one today and experience the power and convenience of HP's innovative technology for yourself. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your printing experience with the HP DeskJet 2855e and discover a whole new world of printing possibilities. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.